Hello everyone, welcome to Saliqa Mag. Subscribe for more tutorials. Your swing instructor Sara here. Today's tutorial is about brother JC14. I will show you how you can thread this machine and how you can use different stitches. So this machine have 14 inbuilt stitches and 4-step buttonhole and easy to use top load bobbin. So here is the plug. So let me just on this machine, and also there is a inbuilt light here, so you can easily stitch your dresses. So I just on my machine and see here is a button you can on from here. So this tutorial is especially for beginners, and this is very beginner friendly and budget friendly machine. So here is dials, you can see zigzag stitches you can select here, and also you can see here the buttonhole, you can select buttonhole from here, and you can change the pattern designs because this machine has 14 inbuilt stitches here. So let me show you how you can thread this machine, and but first let me explain all these buttons. So see, that's how you can change your dial for buttonhole, and you can see here a hole. You can increase or decrease the width of your zigzag stitch. So every time you can, there is a sign plus and minus, and one screwdriver is given in the accessory box, and this button, the red circle, is for the stitch back stitching. So every time you have to double lock your stitch, you can use this button. And let me show you how you can thread the bobbin. This is easy bobbin, top load bobbin, because in old fashioned machine there is a still, but this is inbuilt bobbin. So see, that's how easily you can remove this and put it back here, and you can see here that instructions are given. So follow the instruction, and see, you have to fix the thread it here. If it's not fixed here, so it will give you the bulk of the stitches, bulk of the thread down of your fabric. So make sure that it is fixed here. You can see the arrow, so that's how it should be fixed. And on the side you can see some lines, the numbers are written there. So these are for the straight stitching. You can put your fabric, that how see, you can see it 25-30 mm, so you can place your fabric according to your swing margin. And let me thread it. So also you can see here the tension dial. So first I will show you how you can thread this machine. This is very easy. All the instructions are written on the top of the body. So let's quickly start. And if you haven't subscribed Saliqa Mag yet, so subscribe the channel. See here the numbers are written. One are with dotted lines. Dotted lines are for the bobbin, and the solid lines are for normal stitching. So you have to follow the solid lines. See, number 1 is written here, and that dotted line is for the bobbin filling. Okay, so now I'm using this solid line. I'm following this solid line. One is written here, and be very careful because here is a very delicate spring here. So put your thread like this here, and you can see here the number 2 is written, and down arrow is also here very clearly, and then go down, number 3 is written here. See, after number 2 here, but number 3 is written, and after that you just have to follow the lines. It's very easy. you can see this dial, the number is written. This is actually the tension dial. So after threading you can increase or decrease your tension dial according to the fabric. So I already see this is the tension dial, the numbers are written, but usually you have to keep it between 2 and 3. So every time if you are working with different fabric you can change it. So see, the number 4 is also given here with the arrow instructions. So there is a hook that is open from the back side. So just put your thread from the back side and then go down and now thread your needle. So you can see this is very easy. I just did it in a slow way because the beginners can get it. And see, just let me put that thread in the needle and then I will show you how you can stitch. Definitely recommend this machine, Brother JC14, for beginners, because this is very budget friendly as well, very beginner friendly. So if anything more you want to learn, see, this is the lever. This is the lever up and down button. So you can up your lever from here. So as a sewing instructor, I have 9+ years of experience. I always recommend my student more budget friendly and beginner friendly machines. So I find this machine is very easy to use. So let me know if any question you have. You can ask me in the comment section about this machine. And if you are planning to do the small household things like cushions and dresses, even even the trouser, pants, everything you can stitch with this machine. And the good thing about this machine is that if you have a small space and you don't have any area for the sewing, so every time after sewing you can put it back in the cupboard. So because this is very compact size machine as compared to the regular machines, so that thing I like about this machine. And for designing it has all the basic stitches, zigzag stitches, buttonhole, and every option is there. So you can design with this machine, and you can use embroidery option here. Some basic accessories is also available with this machine. When you purchase this machine, there is a accessory bag here. So you can see there buttonhole and a zipper foot, buttonhole foot. So let me know if you want to learn how to make the buttonholes and all these things. I will make another tutorial, sure. And also you can use this machine for the designing and the applique work, and all the applique you can do with this machine because this has zigzag option here. If you remove your foot here from here and the press foot, so then you can even use a loop in the fabric and you can use the freehand embroidery. And more foot kit is available online, you can check on Amazon. So you can attach more accessories with this machine to enhance the more features in this. So hope you like this tutorial. For upcoming sewing and pattern making tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, just thumbs up, so I know that you like this video. But if you don't like, let me remind you that I already uploaded many videos about how to make basic pattern, how to start your machine handling, solving machine issues, and how you can stitch your dress, very basic and beginners point of view. I make all these tutorials. So as a beginner, if you are excited to start your machine and stitch dresses, you can follow my playlist, how to make dress and how to make pattern and sew dress. So this is the playlist especially for beginners. Hope you like this video. Just thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Saliqa Man. Thank you. Bye bye.